Scandal and disgrace. This is the Margolin and in bunch of stupid donks, laggerhead followers them. I can't believe one opposition leader so donks, so fool, so laggerhead. With him whole time we have politics when I connect with these modern people. We the young people, them are sitting here now work. Two issues I have. First, every second in ballot, call election, bro God, call election anti-wholeness. Stupid. Mark Wallen, the election is due till 2025. Look at this. By-election is going on now. Tell me something. Why you are not contesting the by-election? Since you say time come and you're confident of the people them. Say them with you 100% and them waiting on you to put you in. Why? The boycott. All the by-election them. Why? Chilani and St. Anne's and others going to have. Why there's no candidate for you? Tell me why. Since you say time come, you're scared. If you are so confident, enter and defeat the JLP. Make we see them say, yes, the people have spoken. Then we can say, well done. But no, sir. Don't Nisa kill you. Second, when bro got the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Holness, raising the pay a year ago or so, as an opposition leader, you Mark William, why you never oppose it and said, no, this cannot be, we don't want it, because the people, they need the money. You welcome it with open arms. All I remember them, all of the PMP, nastiness them, glad for it. Only the Prime Minister reject it when the people them ball. Why you never reject it? No, but you go down a clarinet upon heart and talk about you make your money already, you have your money. Which part? Which part? Broke is a ask you how you do. You broke left, right, and center. The way how you walk, the way how you look, people can say you're broke. A matter of fact, you just go tell you that. You're not wanting pop down, proving pop down. Because you and your thief in friend Peter Bunting rob up all the money them and every money. When the money gone down, bear down a little bit. We not have to beg money from the diaspora. In a Canada and others to help you out. You're dunks. You're stupid. You're laggerhead. But put this into your head. Mark Wallen, you will never be Prime Minister for Jamaica. Never! You think God asleep?